Alright guys, welcome back. Noe, my friend from the last video, just hit me up and he said, hey, get your camera and come over here. We're gonna destroy the Eclipse. So I don't know what he has in plan, but we're gonna destroy this car and it's gonna be fun because I know every time I go with Noe, he's a crazy little fucker. But so hopefully we catch some good footage on that. Let's see what he has planned out, and pretty much I'm gonna go over there right now. I have to put some diesel on the truck, and yeah, so just enjoy this video because it is gonna be lit. So stay tuned. Premium or whoops? Look at this pose. Look at you. What up, bro?
Huh? Got the gang up here.
Heck yeah.
This is my cousin Vitor right here. That one in the little red Camry over there.
That's Bader.
We're on our way to destroy the freaking Eclipse. Hit me up for parts. The hood, the bumper, the doors, the trunk.
What year is it?
A 2000 Eclipse. It's automatic. After we're done messing with the outside of the engine.
We're gonna destroy it or what?
We're gonna destroy it, ramp it or something.
Ramp it,
some
go
cool shit
into the pond? That thing is so bad.
I forgot the signal doesn't work.
Bader! We're in a holy shit! Woo!
I love the smell of rubber.
Here it goes! Shit! Bro, that falls down! Noe, what the fuck,
That's
bro?
just fucking sketchy.
This thing hasn't started in 3 months, so let's see if it starts.
The battery doesn't start right now, but
No. Oh, like nothing. And we're fucking this thing up today. That's the thing. Oh,
I had one of those tire filler things for the truck.
this thing's gonna sound nice, dude.
Without the exhaust, imagine.
Yeah, you could already hear it right now.
I think one of the tires needs air.
R.I.P. Eclipse. Today's the day you're passing away. Is that Gibby? Mexicans out here communicating to goats. Hey, they call you the goat whisperer? No! He's a modelo?
Let's go.
Let's go. The truck isn't so white anymore. And this is the real drift car right here.
Yeah. The fucking Miata.
And then the wannabe drift car.
It's a standard car.
Yeah. Holy shit! Hot damn! Damn, dude, thing's loud as heck.
Yeah, bubbles, right? Look at this shit.
Damn. Holy, it's clean now. First things first is the trunk.
Here's the very first piece we're removing right here.
30 bucks?
Yeah, $5.
had to leave for a little bit, but I'm back. Red line that shit. Oh my god.
Get a sweater. You're gonna need it.
Huh?
Get a sweater.
I didn't bring one. Fuck it. No, it's good, dude. It's good.
Hey, record it while you're driving though.
Huh?
Buckle up.
Donuts in this, dude. Somewhere. This is freaking epic. He's like, it's ready, Steve. No back window, no doors, no fenders, no hood. Oh shit! Hey, I have to get an outside view of this too. You do something. This is epic. Mud time. This is all terrain right here. Not even the Subi can do this.
It probably be fast.
Yeah, exactly. That's true. Oh. I don't care. You want to stop in the mud and then just floor it?
That's what I'm gonna do.
Look at this! Look how dirty this is! I can't see shit out the window.
I want to wipe it, but I feel like it'll get worse.
Yeah, I will.
Do you have a water bottle or anything here, Nando? Yeah. Alright, hold up.
Mickey Mouse status. Mickey Mouse status. Hey, no windshield fluid, it's all good. Anything you do, don't go into the canal. That's my worst fear, bro.
Oh, just go first, Flip. It's okay.
No, fuck that. Oh, shit. You can't see it. Whenever Kyle would drive his truck next to a canal, bro, I would be shitting bricks. That's my worst fear, like going into a canal with the car. Oh, chill. Oh, chill. Oh, fuck that, bro. Oh, my nuts dropped to my freaking ass. Oh, I always underestimate this guy's driving. Literally best freaking drifter all time right here.
We're in a pro drive.
Literally.
We're in the front wheel drive right now. And
He's the Mexican Paul Walker. El perro.
Hey, what's that sound?
What's your wipers?
My tire just blow?
I don't know. It doesn't look like it's flat.
I think the tire ripped.
Yeah, I think the tire ripped.
I don't know.
Check it out.
Let me check it out, yeah.
Skirt.
It has air. Oh!
Shit.
Oh shit, look on this side.
Oh! So, oh, okay, I get it. It is hitting and it is flapping. Okay.
Mira, look at this shit. Look to the back. This is like the whole line on.
Oh!
Let's go!
Look at this, boy.
Lunch? Oh shit! You feel that?
Oh, yeah, dude.
It's a pretty smooth ride.
Heck yeah. Fox suspension all the way around, boys. Oh, guys, my face is fucked up. Hold on, let me clean the. Oh my god! Noe gives no F's right now. Oh my god! No! Oh, all the dirt's going inside to his brother's face. No mames! Fucking. Oh. Hey, bro.
I'll see you.
Peace. Have fun. Stay safe. Put your seatbelts on because you're gonna need it. Hey, with Noe, I trust that fool deeply though. He's literally like the best driver I know. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. As you guys can tell, my face is full of freaking dirt and all sorts of stuff. I'm gonna have to clean the camera after this for sure. But yeah guys, I hope you guys liked that video. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. And this won't be the last time you guys see some crazy stuff like this. So, you know, stay tuned. Peace.